I'm Tara Klien from Vista Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to my fabulous listing at 28614 Covecrest Drive in Rancho Palos Verdes, known for its incredible views of the Pacific Ocean and Catalina Island. This classically beautiful home has a spacious floor plan with 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Off the entryway, you'll find a large living room with a classic working fireplace and adjacent formal dining room. The island kitchen has an abundance of cabinet space, granite counters, top-of-the-line appliances, and an eat-in breakfast area. Enjoy entertaining your friends in the ample, manicured backyard with a cozy fire pit seating area, perfect for ocean breezy nights. Relax in the cozy and comfy family room. All the bedrooms are upstairs. The generous main bedroom ensuite has a large bathroom and walk-in closet and additional storage space. You will be impressed by the size of all the bedrooms in this home. I hope you enjoyed your tour of this beautiful home. My contact information is at the end of this video if you'd like to schedule an appointment.